Today we are discussing about the topic differentiation. Basically, a function f of x is said to be differentiable at x equal to a. The formula is if limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus a. It is said to be, this limit is said to be the derivative of f of x at x equal to a, where a is the neighborhood of f of x. This also can be written as limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the first principle of differentiation. By using this formula, we find so many formulas. d by dx of sin x equal to cos x. First, how do we prove this derivative? By using the first principle, d by dx of sin x equal to limit h tends to 0, sin x plus h minus sin x by h. This is equal to sin c minus sin d. The formula of sin c minus sin d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 2 into cos x plus h plus x by 2 sin x plus h minus x by 2 x cancel by h 2 into limit s tends to 0 cos 2x plus h by 2 into limit s tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h 2 into apply the limit s tends to 0 cos of 2x plus h by 2 equal to h value is 0 cos 2x by 2 that equal to cos x. We know the formula limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x equal to a. In this way, limit x tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h equal to 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. Finally, the answer is cos x. d by dx of n x equal to cos x. d by dx of e power x equal to limit h tends to 0 e power x plus h minus e power x by h. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 e power x of e power h minus 1 by h e power x into 1. This is equal to e power x. The same way we have so many formulas are there, that are d by dx of x equal to 1, d by dx of constant equal to 0, d by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1, d by dx of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x, d by dx of sin x equal to cos x, d by dx of cos x equal to minus sin x, d by dx of tan x equal to secant square x, d by dx of cot x equal to minus cosecant square x, d by dx of secant x equal to secant x tan x, d by dx of cosecant x equal to minus cosecant x cot x. The derivatives of hyperbolic functions, d by dx of sin hx equal to cos hx, d by dx of cos hx equal to sin hx, d by dx of tan hx equal to secant square hx, d by dx of cot hx equal to minus cosecant h square x, d by dx of secant hx equal to minus secant hx tan hx, d by dx of cosecant hx equal to minus cosecant hx cot hx, d by dx of inverse functions, d by dx of sin inverse x, that is also equal to d by dx of minus cos inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square, d by dx of tan inverse x equal to d by dx of minus cot inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, d by dx of secant inverse x equal to d by dx of minus cosecant inverse x equal to 1 by mod x into root x square minus 1. d by dx of e power x equal to e power x, d by dx of a power x equal to a power x log a, d by dx of 1 by x equal to d by dx of log x equal to 1 by x, d by dx of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. d by dx of a multiple of the function k into f of x equal to k into d by dx of f of x, d by dx of f of x plus or minus g of x is equal to d by dx of f of x plus or minus d by dx of g of x, d by dx of f of x into g of x, that means the product of the functions is equal to f of x into g dash x plus g of x into f dash x, d by dx of f of x by g of x equal to g of x into f dash x minus f of x into g dash x by g of x whole square. These are the basic formulas to find the solutions of the problems on differentiation. Some more key points are there. They are discussed along with the problems. First of all, first problem, x equal to a into cos theta plus log tan theta by 2 and y equal to a sin theta, then dy by dx is equal to option A cos theta, B tan theta, C sin theta, D cos theta. First of all, they given that x equal to a into cos theta plus log tan theta by 2 and y equal to a sin theta. To find dy by dx, first of all differentiate x with respect to theta. Then dx by d theta equal to d by d theta of a into cos theta plus log tan theta by 2. A into d by dx of cos theta. minus sin theta plus d by dx of log tan theta by 2. Here three functions are there. Log function is there, tan function is there, and theta by 2 is the another function. First of all, d by dx of log function 1 by tan theta by 2 into d by dx of tan theta by 2 secant square theta by 2 d by dx of theta by 2 that equal to 1 by 2. Finally, a into minus sin theta plus secant square theta can be written in the form of 1 plus tan square by 2 tan theta by 2. A into minus sin theta plus, this is the formula for 1 by sin, because the sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. This is the reverse of the formula. This is equal to 1 by sin theta. A into minus sin square theta plus 1 cos square theta by sin theta. A into cos theta by sin theta, cos theta into cos theta. Next, in the same way, dy by d theta equal to the differentiation of y with respect to theta, a into d by dx plus sin theta equal to cos theta, a cos theta. Finally, we find the value of dy by dx. Dy by dx can be written in the form of dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. This is equal to a cos theta by a cos theta into cos theta. A cancel, cos theta cancel, 1 by cos theta equal to tan theta. The solution is tan theta. Next, second problem. If y equal to sin of log x by c, then x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx is equal to option A sin of log x, option B cos of log x, option C y square, option D minus y. To find this value, first of all find the values of dy by dx and also d square y by dx square. Given that y equal to sin log x by c, dy by dx equal to dy by dx of sin of log x by c. This is equal to, here two functions are there, dy by dx of sin function that is equal to cos of log x by c, dy by dx of log x that is equal to 1 by x. D square y by dx square that is equal to dy by dx of dy by dx. dy by dx of cos of log x by c into 1 by x. This is in the form of f of x into g of x. dy by dx of f of x into g of x equal to f of x into g dash x plus g of x into f dash x. So, cos of log x by c into dy by dx of 1 by x minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x into cos of log x by c. For the cos function, differentiation value equal to minus sin of log x by c and dy by dx of log value 1 by x. Finally, the value is minus 1 by x square of cos log x by c plus sin log x by c. We have the both values dy by dx and d square by dx. Substitute these both values in the above equation. We get x square into d square by dx square. X square into minus 1 by x square. X square cancels. Minus 1 into cos log x base c plus sin log x base c. That equal to minus cos log x base c plus sin log x base c plus x into dy by dx, x into 1 by x cancels, cos log x base c. This is equal to cos log x base c. అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ ఉన్న మైనస్ cos log x base c వాల్యూస్ క్యాన్సిల్ minus sin of log x base c. This is equal to minus y. Finally the answer is minus y. Fourth option. Next, third problem. F of x equal to e power x sin x, then f6 of x equal to sixth derivative of f of x equal to option A 6 into 6 power 6x sin 6x, option B minus 8 e power x cos x, option C 8 e power x sin x, option D 8 e power x cos x. First of all, given that f of x equal to e power x sin x, this is the form of f of x into g of x form. F dash x equal to d by dx of e power x into sin x, e power x into the differentiation value of sin x equal to cos x, sin x into the differentiation value of e power x equal to e power x. So this is equal to e power x of sin x plus cos x. Next, second derivative of f of x, the differentiation of e power x into sin x plus cos x. This is also in the form of f of x into g of x, e power x into d by dx of sin x cos x, d by dx of cos x minus sin x plus sin x plus cos x into d by dx of e power x, this is equal to e power x of minus sin x plus sin x values are cancelled, 2 into e power x cos x. Third derivative of f of x equal to 2 into e power x of differentiation of cos x equal to minus sin x plus cos x into e power x differentiation e power x, 2 into e power x of cos x minus sin x. Fourth derivative equal to, this is also in the form of f of x into g of x, 2 into e power x of d by dx of cos x minus sin x, d by dx of minus sin x minus cos x plus cos x minus sin x of d by dx of e power x, 2 into, here minus cos x plus cos x values are cancelled, minus sin x minus minus 2 sin x, so this value is minus 4 into e power x into sin x. Next, fifth derivative of f of x equal to minus 4 into e power x into e power x sin x, that equal to e power x into sin x plus cos x. Sixth derivative of f of x equal to minus 8 into e power x into cos x. These two values are based by f dash x and f double dash x, because this is also in the form of e power sin x, this is also in the form of e power sin x. Minus 8 e power x into cos x. Here the d by dx of sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. To solve this problem, let us take x equal to sin theta. That implies theta equal to sin inverse x. Substitute x value, d by dx of sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is the formula for sin 3 theta. d by dx of sin inverse of sin 3 theta equal to 3 theta. d by dx of 3 theta. 3 into d by dx of theta means sin inverse x. We have the formula d by dx of sin inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square, that equal to 3 by root of 1 minus x square. So finally the answer of d by dx of sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube equal to 3 by root of 1 minus x square. Next, x power y equal to e power x minus y. X power y equal to e power x minus y. To find the solution, first of all apply logarithm on the both sides. Log x power y equal to log e power x minus y. Y log x equal to x minus y into log e, that equal to 1. To find the solution, difference the d by dx find out చేయడం కోసం differentiating on both sides with respect to the x. This is equal to f of x into g of x form y into d by dx of log x 1 by x plus log x into dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x equal to 1, d by dx of y equal to dy by dx. Y by x plus log x dy by dx equal to 1 minus dy by dx. Substitute the like terms, dy by dx of log x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus y by x. dy by dx equal to x plus y by x into log x plus 1. Finally the answer is dy by dx equal to x plus y by x into log x plus 1. Tomorrow we will discuss some more other problems based on the differentiation. Thank you. Be safe.